This is the wedge dog in the blizzard. The hurricane meets blizzard. Doing some good running around with a stick. There he is. Oh, the wind's blowing pretty good. We're weathering the storm. Hey, Wedgie's really weathering the storm. There he is. Whoa. Holy moly. Wedgie don't care. He just wants to eat his stick. You hear the wind blowing. He don't care about that wind. He just cares about his stick today. Right, Wedge? It's good to be alive with a stick. Alright, why don't we go inside? Wedgie weather the storm from inside. Come on. Whoa. This is some nonsense. It's all nonsensical. Wedgie agrees, nonsensical. Nonsensical hurricane snowstorm. But when you're Wedgie, you don't care. You don't care about a hurricane snowstorm. You just care about your stick. And that's why he's eating his stick. I should probably stop him from eating his stick. But he loves it so much. More than safety from the hurricane snowstorm.